So this is my Ford F150. I had to redo this video over because I didn't know what I was doing the first time. I had a manifold leak. I'll try to show you right here. That's the new manifold they put in. As you can see, it cost me $750, and I could have saved all this money had I got up underneath this truck and looked at it a little better. But when I picked up my truck after they fixed it and charged me $750, I still had that little ticking noise that sounded like a. Now the first time when I took it up there, it was pretty loud, so I didn't know what to do. I YouTubed it and they kept saying it was a manifold leak. I don't have all the tools to fix a manifold. Long story short, I took it to a mechanic, reliable shop supposedly, and they told me it was a manifold, needed to be replaced. And I did that. It cost me $750. They did it in less than a couple hours. I left and noticed that my truck was still making a not as loud as it was before, but it was still there, and it was annoying me. So I decided to get under the truck and to look to see why I was still making that noise and to make sure that they did put a manifold. Well, come to find out, I'll show you here. Come to find out, my leak was right there. I just did this right now, so this is going to be a short video. You can see right there, they did put a new manifold in there. As you can see right there, I'll try to put as much light as I can. But anyways, my leak was right above here where my fingers are at. A little leak, small little pin-sized hole. And I went and got some JB Weld. I just put it on about less than 10 minutes ago. This is supposed to cure in 1 hour. But best thing I can tell you is let it sit overnight. Try to get a full good 12 hours of curing. And that should be sufficient. Now, this is just part one of my video. Tomorrow, after I get up in the morning and head to work, you see right there, you can see where I put a lot of that JB Weld at. Tomorrow I will take a video and let you know if this actually worked and if this could have saved me $750. Really irritated because a lot of these mechanics don't tell you this kind of stuff. They just want to get you for your money and pretty much just make a living off of you if they could do it. So wise to everybody out there, take a time to take a look at what your problem is before you can go to a mechanic, or at least get a second opinion and try to save yourself some money. And hopefully you can. I was a dummy. It cost me $750, and all I needed was this bottle right here of JB Weld, I believe. Cost me, I think, like $4, $5 to buy this. I can't remember what it was. $4 or $5. You need it. You need it with your fingers, and you put it on there and let it dry. And that should be the end of that. We'll make another video tomorrow to let you know if this actually worked and solved my problems, and if I could have saved me $750. I'm new on here. Please subscribe to my channel and try to help me build numbers as I try to help everybody else when they're out there making videos. Give me your thoughts. Got any questions, let me know. This is my first video, so I'm going to be posting all kind of stuff when it comes to fixing things. Like, I do motorcycle stuff too. That's mine and my brother's. I just a couple days ago we just sawed down that pipe. I wish I would have did it on video to show you how to cut it and make it a little shorty stubby, but anyway, that's another story. Subscribe, bottom of the link where it says like and subscribe. Love to hear from you guys. Thanks.